Microelastic, to use or not to use, that is the question. I tend to use it, and the benefits that I find of using it are, if you need to bring your rods in for whatever reason, you can just either pan a bit of line out till your elastic gets to the mark that you use. I personally use the butt ring as my marker point, or you wind it in till the microelastic gets to your point, clip the line, reel it in, and you're all set. You're all ready to go. You don't have to wrap it up again. So this would be a perfect opportunity to show you what I mean about the marker elastic. So at the moment this marker elastic is the second eye. So I just bring it in down to where I put the marker, which is the butt ring. Clip it, and that's already clipped, ready to go back out. So this one, I'll bring it in, I'll then cast it out to where no one's fishing. Watching the spool for the marker elastic to go, reel it back, there's my point, clip it, and it's done, ready to go again. It's dead simple to use. It's just a case of pulling out a certain amount of elastic, I don't know, 6 to 10 inches or wherever you find it easier. Make a loop, hold that against your main line, and then with the longer tag end, pass it over the main line and through the loop that you've made in the elastic. I just do it 3 times. Pull each tag end till it's biting onto the main line. I personally then wet the elastic and the line, slide it up to my butt ring, which is what I use as a, some people use the last ring on the rod, like the rod tip or the spigot of the rod, whatever you use. Slide it down to your point, then give it another little tug to tighten it right down, and then cut the 2 tag ends off, you know, 10 mil or whatever. Then it's done. Just remember it's there, so when you're reeling in from after you've wrapped it, don't pinch the line because you're going to move your elastic. Some people put 2 bits of elastic on, 1 inch apart, so they know if one's moved or not. It's a good idea. I don't personally. But there you go, marker elastic. Get used to using it. It could save you time and headaches. There you go.